Welcome back to San Antonio Living. You know, it is really getting hot outside, and that means you're probably wearing a little bit less clothing. If you are embarrassed of the way your skin looks, you can absolutely fix it. And joining us this morning to tell us a little bit more, Melissa Hernandez is here with Babcock Health and Wellness Clinic. It's so good to see you.
Hi, good to see you again.
You know, a lot of people have, birthmarks, or they've got a lot of skin freckling up here. And so I wear t-shirts like this a lot because I get kind of embarrassed about my skin. It is something that is absolutely treatable. You guys do a lot of different treatments at Babcock Health and Wellness Clinic. Tell me a little bit about it.
Well, in our effort to be a one-stop health and wellness clinic, we added the Cutera laser.
Okay.
Now, it's state-of-the-art, and it does quite a few things. It has a treatment called Genesis, and that treats fine lines, hyperpigmentation on the skin. It can treat things like acne and rosacea really, really well.
I love this because it treats so many different things that you can really take care of everything.
Right, and the important thing is there's very little downtime, if any at all.
Okay, and we are seeing the laser in action. This is one of your clients, and Babcock Health and Wellness Clinic is right here in San Antonio. Very easy to get to. The laser doesn't hurt at all.
No, it doesn't.
And
not at all.
You can see your patient looks like she's just relaxing at this point.
Yes, yes, she does, and she can. Yeah, this is her lunch break. She'll get up. She'll go right off to work. Yes,
I love that.
Right. Yeah. So there's very little downtime. With the hyperpigmentation, they go a little bit deeper, a few more passes. So there may be some slight redness, but nothing that's going to impair you from getting back to your normal activities.
That's great. All right, you guys are going to be amazed by the results that they are seeing at Babcock Health and Wellness Clinic. Let's talk about some of the different things that you can treat with the laser Genesis. And we're going to talk about pigment first. So that's somebody who's got a little bit of discoloration, age spots, things like that on the face?
Yes.
Okay. We've got a before and after to show you because it's absolutely amazing. Look at the difference there.
Right, and that's 2 treatments.
Okay.
So you're not going to be at our facility every 2 weeks getting something done. It's not going to cost you an extraordinary fortune. This is very affordable, and you see the results
absolutely.
right away.
We've got another before and after. This is someone with a birthmark.
That's correct, and it'll lighten it. The Genesis. Now, this will take at least 3 treatments to get to this, this result. But it's significant, the change.
It is a huge change. What about rosacea? A lot of people are dealing with rosacea these days.
Adult acne, rosacea, absolutely. Yeah, 3 treatments, and you will have, all the redness gets within the first treatment. You see that redness just deteriorate, and the little bumps and marks are gone. And here's a hemangioma. It's another type of birthmark or skin condition, and we can lighten those up as well. Especially, it makes a huge difference on the face. This is a shoulder, but imagine having that type of
like a strawberry birthmark or something
right,
like
exactly
that.
on your face. So it's it's huge.
It is huge, and again, it's painless. You can go back to work after having these treatments, and it's not going to take 10 to 20 treatments like sometimes you hear.
Right.
Let's talk about veins, because this is another thing that the laser Genesis can treat, and the results that you sent in, amazing to me. That's some kind of vein problem right there?
Right. Yes. These are spider veins that are really bad, and this is after 2 treatments with the Cutera laser. Now, this isn't a Genesis. This is an actual laser that just part of the Cutera, same laser, same application. It's just the voltage to it is a little higher. But this is 2 treatments with it.
2 treatments. Oh my goodness.
The pulsations are higher than what you would with the Genesis, but still the downtime. There's very, very little redness or bruising after. And so it makes a significant difference, especially when you want to wear shorts.
Yes.
Right.
Oh my goodness, that looks amazing. And that's a bit of a thicker vein too.
Yes.
Wow. So amazing that you're able to see these kinds of results. And then also the blood vessels on the nose, you can fix that too?
Oh, absolutely.
Wow. Oh my goodness.
And those usually take 1 treatment, and they follow up in a few months, because what ends up occurring is other veins that are under the surface come up to the surface, and so you treat those.
The results are amazing.
Yes, it is.
And you're seeing so many beautiful legs and nice skin surfacing. It just looks like something.
And Shelley, we can treat all skin types.
I love that because that's another problem. A lot of people who have drier skin, can this work for me?
Or darker skin. You know, some lasers are very particular about not being able to treat darker skin. We can treat all skin color, skin types with this laser, so it's incredible.
It is incredible. And you have a special offer for San Antonio Living viewers, really to get you in there to try this laser out so you can see the results for yourself. To do a large area, you're going to take 32% off.
Right, this is for the True Sculpt. In our effort to enhance weight loss, the True Sculpt, what it does is it helps get rid of those little areas that you just can't, you can exercise all you want and they're not going to go anywhere. You treat those, and we consider a large area about 16 squares, and so we have a weight loss package with injections and supplements to enhance the apoptosis and the removal of all those dead fat cells. So
you guys have us covered from looking the best on the outside to feeling good on the inside. So another option for you is the True Sculpt, and you can see the discounts there. And you've got a special discount for military and law enforcement as well.
Yes, ma'am. Well, 32% off that large area, and then if you're military or you're law enforcement, you get an additional $100 off.
Okay. I love this. I think this is great, and I always like to get a little more information before I test something out. You guys have a great seminar that people can come out to, hear about all of the exciting things you're doing at Babcock Health and Wellness, and there's also a discount on Dysport, which will help your wrinkles, right?
Oh, yes, absolutely.
So if you RSVP and you want the Dysport, you can get that for $8 a unit. All sorts of great things happening at Babcock Health and Wellness Clinic. Again, they're right here in San Antonio. We would love for you to go to the seminar to find out more. It is happening on Saturday, June 21st. You do need to RSVP. So take a look at your screen. All the information is there. The phone number to call to RSVP or schedule your appointment for the laser or anything else, call 544-5715. Again, 544-5715. It's BabcockHealthAndWellnessClinic.com for more details.